Where should you start? Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python, Data, and More. So where should you start? I get this question all the time. It's literally, I get made fun of. I have two things written in my desk cubicle area. It's, you don't know yet. I stole that from a boss's boss a bunch of years ago. And the other thing I have written is just start. So I always make, like this weekend, I was just telling my daughter about it. I had to rebuild a pipeline, reconfigure it for dev because we did some no-nos when we first rolled out the project, and it was all hard-coded for a cloud server. So I digress. So I try not to think about it because I scare myself. I make things bigger than they are. So what you need to do is just start. So if you're here and you're watching this, you're more than likely just like me. You've got to just start. Don't think about, don't overanalyze. We are also analytical individuals. We can be prone to analysis paralysis. You've got to be aware of that. You've got to be hypersensitive to over-engineering and analysis paralysis. Smart creatives, those two things are the bad side of the double-edged sword. Smart creative, we can solve pretty much any problem. We're very creative. We're very, very focused. Once we have that problem, we set out and we solve it. Now, what is the other side is we can also create a problem that is not there. So be hyper aware of that. But when you're learning this, and if you're interested at all, so just this is the first video you've seen on this channel, I started learning Python at the age of 36. It's 13 years ago. So you can do the math. I run a data team. That's the way I should put it. But I remove the roadblocks of the team. I keep them motivated. I keep them on task because, again, a smart creative can be easily distracted. So you need to be aware of that. So just start. I have literally thousands of videos. So please drop a comment down below of anything you want me to help you find, how to get started. There are plenty of videos here. So once you start and you can do the basics and you can build a number triangle, you can you can build a function to find an even or odd number. All of those, you need to get those down. So that's actually where you should start. You should be able to build a number shape, and you should be able to find an even and odd number, and we'll go from there. All right. So I think that's a great stopping point. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please share these videos. I do ask you that. I've fallen off the wagon, as they say, of creating videos and content, and I want to get back to it. And my kids are pushing me into making shorts, so I need to figure that out. I need to just start. I'm scared of it, so guess what? That means I need to do it. So thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.